uncle.
Uh, All right, so let's start again, Zan. So tell me about your hometown. So you'll be spending about, just to facilitate, you'll be spending about 10 to 12 seconds on the introduction, right? And then I'm gonna ask you, so you don't directly jump on to start telling me what you like or
Okay,
not
uncle.
like about your hometown, right?
Okay, uncle.
So it's let's keep the answer relevant to you, the question itself. So, right. So we're starting the exercise again. Yes. Hopefully, it
Okay,
doesn't get
uncle.
too annoying. So, Zen, this is your speaking exercise for IELTS or PTE, and your recording starts now. Could you tell me about your hometown?
My hometown is Jerawazi Khan, commonly
Yes.
known as DG Khan. It is
Okay.
located in the south part of Punjab province in Pakistan. It's a medium-sized city that lies between the Indus River and the Suleiman mountain range.
Right. Go on.
Okay. Because of this unique location, it has mixed both uh, again कल वो both
That's okay. Let's move on to the next question. If you do get stuck, start telling about the weather, or you don't stop, right? So the
okay
worst thing you can do to your test or the interview is you stop. So
okay
you need to keep the flow, right? So what do you like
okay.
or not like about your home city, Zen? Please tell me.
Yes, uncle. There are many things I like about my hometown. The people are very friendly and welcoming. The city has a rich cultural heritage. And other thing I like is the natural beauty. One of the side you have mountains, and the other side you have the Indus River.
Right. And what do you
Uh,
not like about it?
I don't like the roads in many areas are not well maintained, and frequent problem with electricity and clean water supply.
Right. Okay. Right. So, how important it is, the hometown to you, and how will you continue to live in your hometown in the near future?
My hometown is extremely important to me. It's not just a place where I live, it's a part of my identity.
Sure.
All my childhood memories are rooted in Dera Ghazi Khan.
Okay. Wonderful. And would you see yourself continue to live there in the near future?
Uh,
Would you?
uh,
Let me rephrase the question for you, Zen. Do you think you'll continue to live in your hometown?
uh, Uncle, ये जरा
That's okay. Let's move on to the next question. Let's talk about the accommodation and tell me what kind of accommodation or the house you live
ये right अभी क्या बताऊँ ना अंकल
in. Yes, yes, the house you're
yes
living in right now. Just give
right
me a
now
10 to 12-second brief on how's your living setup is, whether, all right, so whether this is
uh,
whether this is temporary or do you get time for yourself? If it's a mixed family, you tell me what sort
okay
of
uncle.
accommodation setup you live in currently.
Yeah, right now I live in a house with my family. It's a
Sure.
single story house with two bedrooms and living room, a
Okay.
kitchen.
Right. Good. All right. And do you get some privacy for yourself? The place you live in has many amenities? When I say
Yes, uncle.
amenities, that means is it in close proximity to a hospital, or do you have medical facilities around, or do you have
Yes, yes,
food, groceries, and supermarket, for example, and public transport?
yeah, yes, uncle. Since since ये अंकल
That's okay. Go on.
यस अंकल दे आर वो अंकल लोकेशन का बताना है ना कि करीब
Yeah, just tell me the facilities and amenities you have available around your house.
we have access the electricity, gas, and clean water most of the time. There are
Good.
also nearby market where we can buy groceries and other things.
Okay,
For
wonderful.
education and जी uncle,
Wonderful.
for education and healthcare, there are schools and clinics not too far from
And is there
we,
anything you like to change about the accommodation setup you have currently? You're living in currently? Is there anything you prefer to change?
yes uncle. There are few things uh, I don't like. I don't. Uh, I don't like, and I
That's
like to
okay.
change.
Well, is
I
it
like
the
to change.
weather?
First
Is
of
it the
all,
weather, or is it the unavailability of public transport, or what do you not like about it? Is it
uh,
hygiene, or is it something to do with the extreme weather, for example, especially in these days in summer in Pakistan? And do you plan to live there for a long time? And this is where you start telling me about your ambitions to go and live abroad. Okay,
yeah,
good.
I like to change is the power supply. We faced load shedding in the summer, so I would like to install solar panels to make our home more energy.
Okay, yes, go on.
Yes, uncle.
Go on.
Uh,
Yeah. And do you plan to live there for a long time, or would you prefer to travel abroad for your higher studies after you finish your college? That's okay. So tell me,
yes,
where
uncle.
do you want to go to for your higher studies? Which country do you choose to go?
Uh, studies के लिए uncle.
Go. Yeah, tell me.
जी uncle.
That's
Studies.
fine. So this is the that was my final question about speaking exercise one. Um, all right. So take a break, have some water, and we'll move on to the next one.